राज्य के कुछ हिस्सों में बाढ़ की स्थिति पर आंध्र प्रदेश के उप मुख्यमंत्री पवन कल्याण ने कहा, मैंने आज एक समीक्षा बैठक की। वन अधिकारी वन क्षेत्रों में अतिक्रमण उल्लंघन को लेकर बहुत सतर्क है और कार्रवाई करते हैं। जब शहरी क्षेत्रों में अतिक्रमण की बात आती है तो कोई कार्रवाई नहीं की जाती है। पिछली सरकारों ने इस पर ध्यान नहीं दिया। अतिक्रमण से बहुत सारी समस्याएं पैदा हो रही हैं, क्योंकि यह पानी के प्राकृतिक मार्ग को अवरुद्ध करता है।
In this unprecedented flood situation in AP, around 384 panchayats as of now, which I have on record, 384 panchayats got affected, and from 10 districts, which we are addressing it. And the issue is about there's a lot of encroachments, the free flow of the whatever from particular place called Budameru. It should reach out to the natural flow has been blocked by encroachments. So that is the issue, which 90% encroachments made to cause this part. And it is a violation from it's happening in the last incrementally for the last few decades. And at least last government could have done something to address it, which I think they have complete. It's not just about blaming blindly YCP government for this, but I said they could have at least done. So what our job is, for example, I've been doing the review meeting today, and whatever, if you look at Government of India, Environment and Forest Department, what they do is, if there is even a simple violation, if simple construction is there in any forest area, it will be photographed through satellite imagery and they can immediately take action, and forest officials are quite alert on that. But when it comes to encroachments in regular urban areas and whatever the flow of water has to reach to the sea, but the problem is they have blocked it, encroached it, and there's no action taken. The successive governments and bureaucracy under them hadn't taken any constructive action, which they're supposed to do. They're supposed to not to give any kind of permission to those houses. But maybe a lot of economic issues, a lot of political issues, a lot of social issues, they're forced to maybe yield to the pressure. I think that's what caused it. And I think it is a collectively, all of us should come together. It is not just about an issue of Andhra Pradesh, it's not just an issue about one state. It is all over India, it is more or less the same. So encroachments are causing a bigger issue. Water, instead of going in the natural course, they have to flood back into the urban areas. So that is the issue here, including in Hyderabad. It's almost around a few thousand lakes, thousands of lakes would have been there by now. But somehow people, governments, successive governments and bureaucracy, and then they ignored it for different reasons. Could be.